Hey everyone, so I've got my mini chainsaw here. Now it does come with quite a few things. One thing I like about it right away is I do have a hard case to go ahead and store everything when I'm not using it. Comes with two batteries. They're 18.5 volts. We've also got two blades. I've got one that came already installed on the chainsaw, and then I've got one in this bag right here. We've got some gloves, some cleaning tools, a Phillips head screwdriver to go ahead and adjust the blade, and then of course we've got this to go ahead for our oil, some safety glasses, a charger, and then of course our chainsaw here. The oil is going to go right in here. The blade, to take it off, you would just loosen that nut, and to tighten up the blade, that's where we would use our Phillips head screwdriver to go ahead and tighten up the blade on itself. It also has a hand guard right here, a blade guard, and then we've got a safety button right here. So you've got to press that and the trigger at the same time. Real easy to use, light and compact. So let's go ahead and go to my backyard. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some branches and just kind of show you how it works. That's pretty big for this to cut through, and it didn't take long at all. It's a really good blade. It's really easy to use. No gasoline needed. All I do is just keep the battery charged and it's always ready to go. Hope you found this helpful.